So now let's see how we can animate adjust properties inside of Blender video editing mode. So over here, you can see that I'm already in video editing mode, and now I'm going to bring in a footage. So now I just want to edit a part of the footage right here. So I'm just going to go around, and then first of all, I'm going to delete the sound layer right here, and then I'm going to split this out right here. So once I split it, I can just delete out the other part of the clip right here. So now in order to work around with the animation properties for adjust, I'm going to go around over here, and then I'm just going to add in a keyframe over here. So I'm going to go around over here onto, let's say, for example, onto adjust, and here you can see that color, multiply, and everything else, they can be animated. So now let's say I want to work around with the saturation. So I'm going to go around and add in a keyframe by going on into animate property. If I were to click here, then what happens is that the animation is there. You can also turn on auto keying right there, so all of the changes that you may make is automatically there. So I'm just going to go around and make this black and white right now. I'm going to go around and then make sure that this is still black and white. So another keyframe is added in right there. So now slowly I want to increase out its saturation, and then go around right here, just increase that out over here. And then I'm going to decrease out the animation over here. Again, saturation. So now what you'll see is that this is black and white. Now it'll go color and black and white again, as you can see right there. So if I were to go around over here, play this around, the animation, the keyframes have been added out. So if I were to go around over here onto the dope sheet right here, I can go around and then just expand this out, and you can see that the animation for the color is here and all the keyframes are there. So just like animating for 3D properties, you can go around and animate the properties right here. So that's how you can adjust animate properties inside of video editing mode inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.